Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You might notice that my voice is different, and that is because I have a new microphone which I'm trying out. You could also notice on me that I'm in gray, and that is because it's the 5th of November. Those who are on 9gag, they know. Obviously this is unrelated to crypto, but we will discuss crypto right now. So today we need to talk about the market prices. Nothing much is happening, but we need to see where we are heading. Also, I just gathered some answers to your questions regarding the Elrond Launchpad or Maya Launchpad Holoride Lottery tickets, so stay with me. Before we start, obviously the usual, use a VPN. If you can't find one, there is one in the description. Also, if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything is in the description, and you can find my Twitter text somewhere here. Obviously, my name is Sabi, and I try to help you with crypto. So if you like crypto, consider subscribing. We are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, we are at the 61,300. We are in this flat correction. Now, the triangle is still in place. The triangle is still kind of works out, and I do think that we will see some bounces here and there. Now, Plan B on Twitter said that we will see a 10k candle this weekend, which I'm a bit, let's say, skeptic about. I don't think so. Nevertheless, if I would see Bitcoin jump from today to tomorrow from 61 to 71, I wouldn't complain too much. Let's go forward. Ethereum is around the 4500s. As you can see, the support line which I said that I'm looking at yesterday is still there. It's still in place. It's still holding the price. Now, obviously this depends on Bitcoin, whether it's gonna hold it or if it's going to be able to hold it. In the meantime, Ethereum developed a very nice upwards trend line. Here it is, and as you can see, it is kind of holding it. Now, if I just drag this here and this one is here, well, it is developing into a rising wedge, but it's not too obvious for me just yet. If I would drag it right here, yeah, it might be, but I wouldn't stress too much because Bitcoin is leading, and the rising wedge on Ethereum when Bitcoin is going up, it's not that important. Although if Bitcoin starts to rally, I do expect Ethereum to go down a bit, and therefore it will break the rising wedge if it is a rising wedge. Let's go forward. Elrond is in price discovery. Yes, we just left the $300 price, and we touched the price target of 320, and right now we are just staying back and watching where it goes. And yeah, we need to see what the Maya DEX is bringing, how the max staking will I don't know, motivate people to buy Elrond, and of course the liquidity as well. So it's the Maya DEX launch all together. And yeah, the Holoride on the Maya Launchpad is also up and running, and we are heading to the lottery, for which you need to have staked Elrond. So I wouldn't be surprised if many people would stake some Elrond in order to participate on the Holoride, which will obviously have a good impact on the price. Orn is trying this resistance line. As you can see, we had a fake out here, and if it manages to go up and break out from this line, from this one here, I expect it to revisit the $13, but that is not why I am holding it. I'm holding it because I want it to go to the all-time high, to the 30, which is a 3x and something. Therefore, yeah, I think I'm gonna hold my Orn for a longer time, and let's see what this new alt season, if it's coming and when it's coming, brings us. But I think a second all-time high, even if it's the same as it was before, is to be expected from almost all the altcoins. Therefore, yeah, I think we just need to watch it and be patient. Yes, sit on your hands and be patient. I think that is the best advice anyone could give right now. Not that I'm giving financial advices, as you know. SLP had a big breakout, and now it's back to the 009, to the 01, and I am very curious to see what is happening, what is going to happen with it, because yeah, I really wish SLP continued this uptrend. Now, if I were to change this and we say that we have this new trend line, SIP already broke out from there, and therefore this is a fair expectation from SLP or from me towards SLP to continue growing and to go upside, because the gaming cryptos are rallying and SLP is lagging behind a bit. So yeah, I'm still hoping that SLP will go up. This 40% was already pretty good. I did not take any profit from it just yet, but as soon as we reach, I don't know, this 0.17 level or 0.15, 16, I will take some profits. Maybe I will sell like 50% of what SIP I have, but I don't really have a big amount anyway. Going forward, let's talk about two things. One is the Metaverse, because it is becoming bigger and bigger hype, and those who were on the sidelines with the NFTs and just missed out most of the big gains, and I was one of them, for example, then the Metaverse is something which is coming, and it is something we can profit from it. I said yesterday, I showed you how to buy virtual land. Now, the question here is that since Facebook is switching to Metaverse, or Meta, or not switching, but creating it, what do we want? Do we want Facebook to own the Metaverse, or we want blockchain to own the Metaverse? And when I say blockchain, I mean the people. Now, one thing is for sure, if and when Metaverse is coming, and if I will play in it, I guess, I don't know if I'm gonna, because I'm more like a go out in the nature type of guy, but I do play other things, therefore I'm sure that I will try it. I don't want Facebook to own the Metaverse, so don't be fooled by them, because when it's centralized, it's always on profits. And yes, blockchain is also about the profits, but at least it's not going to one place and it's not controlled by one place. And just considering how much privacy breaches happened on Facebook, can you imagine what will happen on Meta? This is just insane, and I am sure that if it's possible, and probably will be possible, I will not take part on Facebook's Metaverse at all. So yeah, here's that's my opinion. Obviously everyone can have their opinion, but I just wanted to let you know that this is my position right now towards Facebook's Metaverse. Okay, Holoride stuff. So you sent me a lot of questions regarding how the lottery is going, how it's gonna happen, and if you can lose your Elrond, if you buy the tickets, will you get your money back if you didn't win? And the answer is yes. So I went through this this paper, and just to recap, so until the 22nd of November, the KIC will be closed and the Elrond staking snapshots will be taken, meaning that only in that case you can buy tickets, which is $200 per ticket, if you have Elrond staked. You can see here in this table how many tickets you can buy in comparison how many Elrond you have staked. If you don't win, you will buy the ticket for $200 each, but if you don't win, you will get back your Elrond, because you won't pay with dollars or USDT or BUSD, you will pay with Elrond. They will just say that you will need to buy one ticket for this many Elrond, which probably is gonna be 0.678, something like that. But if you didn't win, then all participants claim unspent Elrond, meaning that you will get back your Elrond. If you win, obviously you will not get back your Elrond, you will get your ride tokens. If you join this lottery with 4 tickets and one of your tickets is a winning ticket, you will get back 3 tickets, the Elrond worth of 3 tickets, and 5,000 ride tokens, and those will be ESDT tokens. Therefore you will be able to claim it, and it will appear on your Elrond wallet or MyR wallet or wherever you are holding your Elrond. So I hope that this clears out some of the questions. To be honest, I think this is a very fair lottery from Elrond team, because there are no losers. Only you can win. If you want to buy ride tokens on a discounted price, if you want to try it, then you can try it, and you will just You will just see your Elrond goes into the ticket, and if you didn't win, it comes back to you. Nothing special will happen, but for that you need Elrond staked, and you will need also Elrond liquid, because I guess that is what you will use to buy the tickets. If you don't have liquid Elrond only staked, that's not really a problem, because for the tickets you can probably just buy some Elrond for that one occasion, and if you didn't win, you just sell it, I guess. So I hope that this cleared out a couple of questions. If you have more questions, write it in the comments, on Discord, on Twitter, wherever you think you want it. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you like the content. This is all I wanted to talk about today, and I see you on Monday.